My house is a bit of a mess. Well, especially the kitchen top. And I can't clean it unless I have a coffee. So I'm going to make a coffee first. I'm going to use this coffee press, which is good. You just put ground coffee in it, fill it with boiling water, squeeze it a few times, and then pour. And you can use it for tea as well. I use it for coffee only. And you just rinse it nice and easily under the tap like this. And then go ahead and make yourself a coffee. First though, I'm going to put the kettle on. Grab I'm going to put enough water in there to fill that, which on this kettle is about 5 cups. Even though that makes what I'd call 4 cups. So I'm just going to fill that to the 5 cup line, which is done. Chuck that on boil, and then that'll boil. It's boiling now, and it'll be good. In the meantime, I'm going to put coffee or ground coffee into that thing. I have a little bit of ground coffee in this jar, which I'm going to try and get out. I've got to squeeze my hand in. This little 7 grams of coffee that holds. I don't know where I got that from, but if I lose it, I'll be confused. Anyway, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. And I can put that away. The coffee, the water's nearly boiled. I'll use that opportunity to do some of the cleaning without waiting. That's the water boiled. Let's go back. Bring the water over and get my press ready and just pour like that. I'm just pouring up to the top of the little ring there, and just a little bit more like that. Okay, now to get the presser bit of the press and put it in like that. Careful not to go too fast, because otherwise it comes out the top. And now just push it down like so. Now I could drink that coffee now and it'll be just fine, but lots of people like to leave it for a minute. I don't do that. I just go up once more, come down, and just do a little bit of that. Get all that flavor out, and that's good. Okay, so I've got a dirty cup here. That's not a problem. I'm just gonna empty that. Give it a quick rinse. Put the coffee in like this. Just pour it. And that is like delicious, way better than instant coffee. I'm gonna need some milk. Let's get some milk there. Pour the milk in. Rightio. That's pretty good. Okay. Well, I reckon I can drink that coffee now and give that a try. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now I can finish cleaning. Finish cleaning the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Now, where do I start?